So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. If you've been here, then hey there, I'm Original Kelly, and today I'm basically just like channeling inspiration that I've been had. It's like I wanted to do a sunset with a sunrise type of vibe, so I used my Juvia face palette to create this look. And if you'd like to see how I created the look, then stay tuned to see what's up. And don't forget to subscribe again. And yeah, let's get started. So y'all can see I already have like my foundation and so on my face already, because it's basically like I want to focus on my eyes and maybe my lips. I'm still kind of thinking about whether I want to add color to my lip or I just want to do like some lip gloss. So I already went ahead and I did this high, which took me forever, but anyways I got it done. So now I'm gonna try to attempt doing this one. Hopefully it comes out good in one go. So for this eye look that I'm wearing, I basically use the Juvia Place Zulu palette, and this is what it looks like. And then the inside, it has some pretty vibrant colors, like from what you can see. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to recreate this look on this eye. And I already have like my concealer and powder on this eye, so I'm gonna start things off. So what I did first is I went into the yellow shade and I kind of just put this like all over my lid and in my crease. And I just blend it out basically. After that, I kind of went into this orange shade right here, and I used this orange shade to kind of like go over it, like focusing it in the crease area and right on the yellow, not going over the yellow too much. So it's like kind of creating an ombre type of effect. And I took my time and I blend this in using like a windshield wiper type of motion. I'm gonna go in and use some pink, and I'm using this pink shade right here, and I'm just gonna keep this like in the outer corner of my crease. I'm using my Vanity Planet brush and my NYX Milk White liner, and I'm gonna use this to kind of cut a crease. So it's like, you know, when I use a white color, I find that like the colors on my lid pop more than just using my regular concealer only. So I'm gonna apply some of this white on my lid to kind of cut it. I'm gonna apply some of the purple from the same palette. I'm gonna apply the purple on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna apply some of the same orange shade that I had over the crease in the middle portion of my eye lid. And I'm kind of just blending the orange a bit over the purple, so it's like it's not a dead line right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the yellow in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm doing the same blending type of thing where it's like I'm blending the yellow into the orange. After I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and it's like I like the yellow that I got, but I wanted to like up the yellow a bit more, so I went in with my UV liner, and as you can see it's like a neon yellow type of liner, and I'm gonna apply that right over the yellow shade that I just applied in the inner corner of my eye. While the liner dry, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually just gonna do the bottom portion of my eye. So to do that, I use my black Radiance liner, and this is in the shade Classic Black, and I'm gonna use this to go over my waterline. Now I'm gonna basically use the pink, the yellow, and the purple, and I think also a bit of the orange. I'll show you guys. Purple shade, and I'm gonna blend that on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm kind of just blending it into the purple that is on my lid. Now after that, I went ahead and I got some of the yellow and I blend this all over the rest of the bottom of my eye. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the pink in the middle. And then I'm gonna apply the orange on the inner corner. Put some of the orange, as I said, to go right over it, kind of blend them together. And I'm gonna go back and put some of the yellow up top, some of the orange right below that, and some of the pink on the outer corner again. Now I'm using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this is in the shade Molted Gold, and I'm gonna use that to go in the inner corner of my eye. And also I'm gonna use that on my brow bone. My liner, which I'll be using my Maybelline Stay Put eyeliner, and this is a 17-hour wear eyeliner. lashes. I have my lashes on. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up the rest of my face. My MAC Skin Finish powder to kind of just go over my face again because it's like to contour my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Anastasia contour kit, and I'm gonna use this shade right here. Blush, I'm gonna go back into my Real Hair blush palette, and I'm gonna use this one right here. My lip, I'm gonna use my Nikkei lip pencil, and this is in the shade Royal Purple. And use my NYX matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Shocking Pink. Go ahead, and I may be doing an experiment. I'm gonna use the yellow from my Juvia Please palette to kind of go right in the center of the face.